Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a group rank door. This actually isn't as hard as you think it might be. It's just a little bit of a script and just a part. But we're going to start out with the part here. I'm going to resize to make this at least look like a door a little bit. I'm just going to name my group door. We want to make sure that this is anchored so it doesn't fall through the world whenever we're doing stuff with this. And we want to make a script or a local script and start our player scripts. We're going to start off by defining the player. Which is our local player. This is going to be the ID of your group. For this, I'm just going to use the monkey study group ID. You can find this group ID at the top of your group. It should be on yours. It should be up here. This would be your group ID. And for the next thing, it's going to be the lowest rank that you want to pass through the door. So for example, if I, in my group, we can navigate to this by configuring group and going to roles. It'll show the rank number here. This is what we're going to base this off. For example, if I want only an admin and up to go into my room or go through my door, I'm going to put 254. 254. Our local door is going to be whatever you name this, so or the paths to this. So mine is game.workspace.groupDoor. I'm just going to put this lowest rank you want to access the door and the door. Yeah, this is just the door. All true do. Just going to loop through and make sure that we're updating this timely. I'm going to put this in the group. And if it is equal to or greater than the lowest rank, then we want the door to have can collide equal to false. And if we're not that rank, we just want door.can collide equal to true. And we're going to have a wait time here of, let's say 8 seconds. That's pretty good. I'm just going to name this group door script. And I'm just going to test this out. And look, just go through it easy. And every single person that's above an admin in my group should, or admin or above, should be able to go through this door. Hope that was simple and easy. Hope it didn't take up too much time. Just to make these as easy as possible to understand and easy to do. So, bye.